Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today I will be sharing tips to easily grow betel vines from cuttings. The cuttings should have at least 3 nodes to develop roots. And the potting media I am using 80% coco peat and 20% soil. So you place the cuttings in the soil and pour enough water so that the soil is always moist. It will take around 2 weeks time for the stems to grow new roots, and these betel vines love to grow well in bright shaded areas, and the soil should be always moist. These are the two main tips to grow betel vines. These betel vines have a lot of medical benefits. You can put tea using these betel leaves and give small children. This will remove the phlegm from the lungs and also cure digestion problems. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.